Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, we are here to guide you through the process of setting up direct deposits for the $1,400 stimulus check from the IRS and expected before the August. We will walk you through who qualifies for this payment, providing clear instructions on setting up your direct deposit to ensure you receive your money without any delays. We will also cover the essentials, eligibility criteria, answer common questions, and provide tips for using your stimulus checks wisely. And by the end of the video, you will have a clear understanding of whether you qualify for this payment and what steps you need to take before the August deadline. So let's get started and make sure you're not leaving money on the table that you could be rightfully yours. And let's talk about the background and the purposes. To fully understand that the context of this $1,400 stimulus check, let's take a brief look at its origin and purpose. The COVID-19 pandemic has had far-reaching economic impacts across the globe, and the United States is no exception. Uh, in response to the economic downturn caused by the pandemic, the US government has implemented several stimulus packages to provide financial relief to the American citizens and boost the economy. The particular $1,400 payment is a part of American Rescue Plan Act signed into law in the March 2021, and it's the third major stimulus payment issued by the federal government since the beginning of the pandemic, and following the $1,200 payments in April 2020 and the $600 payment in the December 2020. So let's talk about the eligible criteria. Now that we have understand the background of the stimulus payment, let's dive into the all important question like who is the eligible for this $1,400 check. The eligibility criteria are based on the several factors, primarily your income and filing status. The amount you are eligible to receive depends on your depends like your adjusted gross income, AGI, the abbreviation of that, and as reported on your most recent tax return, either 2019 or 2020, depending on when you filed. And single filers will receive the full payments if their AGI is up to $75,000, and a partial payment if their AGI is between $75,000 and $80,000, and no payments if their AGI is above $80,000. And the head of the household filers will receive the full payment with an AGI up to $1,12,500. A partial payment with an AGI between $1,12,500 and $120,000, and no payments if their AGI is above $120,000. And the married couple filing jointly will receive the full payments with an AGI up to $150,000, and a partial payment with an AGI between $150,000 and $160,000, and no payments if their AGI is above $160,000. So one of the most crucial steps in ensuring you receive your stimulus payment is setting up to direct deposit with the IRS. The direct deposit is the fastest and most secure way to receive your payments, and it's highly recommended by the IRS. There are several ways to set up your direct deposit. The easiest way is when you file your tax return on your form 1040. You will see a section for a refund. Even if you are not expecting a refund, enter your bank account information in the section, including your routing number, 9 digits routing number, and account number and account type, checking or saving. So you can also use the IRS Get My Payment tool on their website. You will need to enter your social security number, date of birth, street address, and zip code. If your payment has not been processed yet, you may have the options to enter your bank information. And now let's talk about the importance of the August deadline. It's important to act quickly and set up the direct deposit before the August deadline. And this deadline is crucial because it ensures you receive your payments as soon as possible and avoiding any potential delays. If you miss the deadline, you may have to wait longer to receive your payments, which could impact your financial situation. So the question arises that what to do if you have not received your payment yet. If you think you are eligible but you have not received your payment, there are a few steps you can take. First, check the IRS Get My Payment tool to see if your payment has been processed, and if it has not, you may need to provide your bank information or update your address. If you have recently moved or changed your banks, make sure to update your information on the IRS as soon as possible. You can also contact the IRS directly for the assistance. And now let's discuss about the common questions and misconceptions. There are several common questions and misconceptions about the stimulus payments. One common question is whether the payment is taxable. It's important to note that this payment is technically an advance payment of a tax credit of the 2021 tax year, which means it's not considered taxable income, and you would not have to pay taxes on this money when you file your 2021 tax return. Another common misconception is that the adult depends, such as college student and elderly relatives, are not eligible for these payments. Unlike the previous stimulus payments, adult dependents are now eligible, and each eligible dependent will add $1,400 to the household total payments. And the tips for using your stimulus check wisely. Finally, let's discuss some tips for using your stimulus check wisely. Whether you are catching up on a bills, buildings, and emergency fund, or investing in your future, it's important to use this money in a way that benefits your financial situation, and consider prioritizing essential expenses, paying down high interest debt, and saving for the future financial needs. We hope this video has provided you with all the information and you need to understand the $1,400 stimulus check and determine your eligibility and take the necessary steps to claim your payment. So make sure to stay informed and proactive to ensure you receive the financial support and you are entitled to. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and helpful financial tips.